Good morning all. Here we are drawing the three types of foundations one by one. So here I can draw the pile foundation. Here it will be the masonry foundation, and this space can be used for drawing the well foundation. Okay, we will start it with the masonry foundation. Here you can see all the dimensions are given. It's 30 centimeter thick wall. After that you can see a 40 centimeter thick basement, and below that there is a foundation with a 50 centimeter thickness, and here you can see a footing of 80 centimeter thickness. So here we are taking a scale of 1:20. So using that, this 30 centimeter becomes 30 into 1/20. It will be 1.5 centimeter. So two lines should be drawn with a distance of 1.5 centimeter. I can draw it like this, and after that it should be 40. That means 40 into 1/20, 2 centimeter. So here I should draw 2 centimeter. So this 2 centimeter should be symmetric with respect to this distance. So that it will be here you should draw 2.5 millimeter from this line towards this direction, and 2.5 millimeter towards this direction from this line, so that altogether you will get a 2 centimeter line, which will represent 40 centimeter in field. After that you should draw lines from these two endpoints, and how much should be its depth. Here it's given that altogether it is 60 centimeter. So 60 into 1/20. 3 centimeter. So from here there should be 3 centimeter, and you should draw a line, and here this line measures 50. That means 2.5 centimeter. So here also you should take a distance of 2.5 millimeter along this direction, and 2.5 millimeter along this direction also, so that you will get a line with a 2.5 centimeter length. So after that you should draw again a 60 centimeter line. That means a 3 centimeter line on our drawing sheet. After that you should go for this 80 centimeter. Here 80 centimeter means 4 centimeter, so that you should take a 0.75 centimeter towards this direction, and a 0.75 centimeter towards this direction, so that you will get a length from here to here, 4 centimeter. Okay, so in this way. What about the thickness? Here it is given that it's 20. So you should take 20 into 1/20. That means 1. So you should provide a 1 centimeter thickness like this. After drawing this, you can go for the steps. Here first you should draw the plinth. It's already drawn. After that is the steps with the 30 centimeter tread and 15 centimeter rise, so that you can, for 15 centimeter you should take 0.75 centimeter on your drawing sheet, so that you can cut 0.75 centimeters, just like this. Okay, and you should cut 30 centimeter, that means 1.5 centimeter on your drawing sheet. Starting from the corner of the plinth, you should take the distance 1.5 centimeter like this. After that you can simply draw lines. Once you are drawing a line, you can extend it towards this direction, so that you can draw the plan. Here for the masonry wall also you can draw the extension lines, just like this. For the corner of the plinth you can draw the extension line like this. After that okay, up to this much you should draw. After that you can simply connect it. Here I have marked the points, so you should connect it. Then you should extend this ground level. Like this. So here take a 5 millimeter extension and a depth of 5 millimeter. You should provide it like this. After that you should provide necessary hatchings and labeling, dimensioning, etc. In this way you can finish the elevation view. After that you should go for the plan. Here these steps leads towards a door, so you can, from the construction lines you can simply draw the wall thickness. So wall thickness starts from this line. Okay, after that you should draw it up to this much length. Okay, so here you should erase this much portion. Here you have already studied how to draw a paneled door, so that you should copy paste here. For the time being, I am simply drawing a portion of the door only. So you can't simply draw it. You should take the dimensions from your first experiment and you should draw it. For the time being, I'm simply drawing it, and at the midpoint you should make it like this. So once you draw the masonry wall and the door, then you can draw the plinth. This plinth line is an extension of this line. Okay, it represents a corner of the basement that is getting projected. Now you go outside your room and check whether there is a plinth is provided for your home. Then you can see the width of the plinth that they have provided. Here you need not measure it because you can directly extend it from here to downwards. After that, you should draw the steps. Then you should cut it like this. After that, you can erase the construction lines so that the plan is completed. And after that, you should hatch, label, dimension, and draw the name of the drawing and the scale of the drawing separately. Here you can represent the ground surface like this. So now it's the pile foundation. Here also you can take a scale of 1:20 so that this 30 centimeter diameter becomes 1.5 centimeter on your drawing sheet. So directly you draw a 1.5 centimeter. Now these two lines you can draw in a single stretch. 1.5 like this you can draw. After that simply you can extend these lines here. For a pile foundation, there is a particular diameter, or there is a particular dimension along the sides, but you cannot draw it for a particular depth, because for different piles you can see different depths. It depends upon the hard rock strata coming here. So once you want to construct a building with a pile foundation, then you should cut the soil until you are reaching a hard rock bed strata. So once you reach that hard bedrock level, then you can stop cutting and you can erect the pile that's already constructed. So depending upon the availability of the rock bed, you can provide different depths. So you need not show any depth here. You can simply cut it here and you can extend it like this, so that it is obvious that you need not provide the depth. So here these are the reinforcements. Reinforcement can be provided separately like this. Now it goes around these vertical reinforcements just like this. These are separate rings. This is a single ring, and in this way you can provide different rings. Now what about this? It is a helical reinforcement. Here a single piece of reinforcement is provided just helically around the vertical reinforcement bars, and that is the difference. So here it is provided helically and here it is provided separately as different rings. Now these dots represents the vertical reinforcement bars. So here we can draw. After drawing the 1.5 centimeter, you can simply extend it downwards. Now for a 30 centimeter diameter line, they have provided some 1.5. So here simply you can provide. Now simply you should find the midpoint. Here it will be somewhere here. So you can draw a line like this. After that you can simply take a distance here. Here it can be up to this much distance. You need not take any depth in this direction. After that you should make a horizontal line like this. Simply you can provide a slope like this. So in this way you can draw it. After that you should make the vertical reinforcement. Here this distance can be found out from this distance. I have already explained how to find from a measured distance to the distance on the drawing sheet. Yes, in this way you can provide it. Like this you can provide. Make the center line. And draw the helical reinforcements. Here simply you can mark the distance, just like this. Here you need not measure it from here, and you can simply take your own measurement. Just like this you can provide it. In this way you can draw the helical reinforcement, and here also you can draw it like this. Here you should hatch it. So in this way you can provide it, and simply you provide some horizontal lines. Like this you can provide throughout. After that you should mark the dimensions, then you should hatch it, label it. In that way you can complete the elevation. Then you should go for the plan view. Here also you can simply extend this towards downward. Then you simply draw a rectangle here and mark the reinforcement like this, then the vertical reinforcement like the 4 dots that they have provided. After that, here also you should extend it downwards, draw a circle and draw the inner circle. It is the helical reinforcement that you have provided. Then vertical reinforcements you should provide as dots. So in this way you can finish the plan view also. And after that you should go for the well foundation.